guys, welcome to my channel, Only in Your Mind. My name is Natasha and I am so excited and so happy. I've gotten 2 makeups done in a row, which I haven't done that in a long time, but it's been really fun to get back into doing my makeup. Everything's pretty much done in my studio, so that's why I was able to sit down and concentrate and focus on some really excellent and fun makeups. So last week I did a Spiderman makeup, J. Jonah Jameson. That one was a really cool and fun makeup. And this week, as you can tell, I am the Black Cat, Felicia Hardy. If you guys want to see how I did her makeup, just keep watching. Hello guys, let's start this makeup off with some blue contacts, this strapless dress, and also a photo that I found online of Black Cat. Now I'm starting off using a white eyeliner just to mark off where I want her mask to be on my face, and then also her choker on my neck. And because this is a rough draft, of course it's not going to be perfect, but later on for the circle I'm going to use a little circle dauber that I got at Walmart, and you'll see that later. Now I'm going to put my hair back and start with her face color. Oh, and I didn't show you how I did my eye makeup, but I did that off camera and I added some eyelashes too. And this color is from Wolfe, and I'll put the colors that I use in my description box below. But I'm pretty sure that you don't really need a face color. You could probably just do the mask and the choker if you wanted to and wear a costume. But I'm just gonna go and paint my face on the outside of the mask. Then I'm going to use that color for my neck and shoulder. Later on you'll see that I extended that paint color a little too far, but I'm going to use some powder and set the makeup that I just did on my face and neck area. Okay guys, after the powder settled, I decided to start on the mask. I'm using a thin brush and a black from Cameleon. And I decided to use 2 different brushes. Right here I switched to a flat rounded tip brush because I'm going to use that to fill in the mask, but I'm going to try to get the mask exactly the same on both sides. It's not going to work out that way, but I'm going to try my best to do that, and you're going to see that I add a little bit more to one side later on. But that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just trying to get the mask to look the same on both sides. And I am taking my time on the mask because it is a very important part of Black Cat. Now that I'm done with the mask, I am going to take a thin pointy brush with some of that face color on it, and then go underneath my eyes and around my eyebrows. And I'm also going to go on top of, well, not on top, but on the bottom of my eyebrows, my brow bone, because I want it to look like her skin color. I mean, I guess I should have done that before I did the makeup, but I didn't, so here we are, filling in all of those areas. And to make it flow better, I'm just going to take some of the black eyeshadow and just kind of blend it in and do my eyelashes and my eyebrows again. With the flat rounded brush that has the black on it, I'm going to do her collar. And with that dauber that I told you that I got from Walmart, I'm going to put some silver on that and make that circle right there. And it always works out perfect because it's a perfect circle. Now I'm just going to fill in the area of my shoulder with the skin color. And remember, I told you that I went down too far with that. So I'm just going to cover it up with some black, and I'm going to take that black further than that actually. And then I'm gonna take some whites and I'm gonna just put it right next to the black and get a brush and kind of do like the fur over the black. Then I'm gonna go onto the white and just keep going and adding layers. I'm gonna add some gray to that as well to give it some depth, and then with some black star blend I'm gonna make her cleavage and also some shadowing of the fur area. With some of that star blend again, I'm just gonna go ahead and do some shadowing on her collar, and then I'm gonna outline the collar with some black. I'm gonna add some pink on my cheeks and then use some red too from Mehron Paradise on my lips, and the pink was also from Mehron Paradise, but that'll all be in my description box below. Now we are coming to the end of this makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really did enjoy doing these Spider-Man makeups. I have 2 more and I'm hoping to do another one. I hope you guys really like these makeups. And I just want to say thank you so much for you guys just, supporting me. And I'll see you guys on my next makeup. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for sitting back and watching me do this makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, leave me a like if you want. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on my next makeup.